Hello everyone, this is the first part in how can I apply for MEXT Scholarship. So we will start by the application form. What is the shape of application form? It changes a little bit from year to year, but there are constant things like we are here in the application form. There are a first section, your name, your nationality, date of birth, and if you are employer or not, your place of your job, your profession, something like information about yourself, like phone number, email address. So we'll transfer to the next part. It's about educational background. In this scholarship, there are like requirements that you should spend 17 years in education in certain country. For example, in Egypt, you should spend 17 years old as Egyptian education. What about people, they, for example, take certificates from KSA and then they come to Egypt to study in university? It's preferred that I said that there are the evidence that you take your education from the same country, like elementary education from Egypt, secondary education from Egypt, higher education from Egypt. And here in that application, if you remember how many years you spend in elementary and high school and years, so I prefer, and then at the end, total years score, total years that you spend in Egypt, for example, as example, or in the same country. I would like to say that there are different requirements. If you have employment record that you work in certain organization, and it prefers that you work at the same field that you apply for, that it will be good for you, as it represents that you are interested in that field. So name and address of organization, period of employment, position, type of work, but 2 words or 3, you will not write article about type of your work. Yeah, in certain sections, they require Japanese language proficiency. Like you are applied for studying Japanese at Japan. So they require for you to have the language. Maybe a little bit, but you should have certificate. Other fields, it is required to, it's optional, not required, by the way. But if you have, yeah, we are in a competition, so it's okay if you have the Japanese certificate, so to apply it. Other languages like IELTS, TOEFL, also you can write it on the application, and it's optional. Till the acceptance of the university, by the way. Like if you're accepted in the first stage, so you are ready for applying your IELTS or not. So and from the beginning, you should prepare yourself very well, as if you accepted in the first stage, so you are ready for the second. They ask you different questions, personal question. If you traveled before to Japan, you studied there before, you obtained scholarship, other scholarship or fellowship, internship. So you can take that in your consideration, write that in your application. There are also emergency part, like, yeah, if you travel, you need family phone numbers. So it's important, yeah. I would like to say that this is the end of this part, and we have a second video for the essay. Thank you.